What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video today for you guys to check out. So today's video is going to be about a young lady that's been lying to a man for 11 years, saying that they have a child together. Let's get into the video.
What's up?
What's up is why you've been lying to me for 11 years, telling me that DJ is my real son. Why you been lying to me?
What have they lying about?
I got a DNA test done.
A DNA saying what?
Saying that he's not my son.
Let me see this DNA test.
You don't need to see it. I saw it.
How DNA test gonna say?
How you gonna be lying to me for 11 years? Why would you do that to me?
Where's the lie?
The lie is you. You are the lie. You have been lying to me for 11 years, having me believe that my son that I've been raising for 11 years is not really my son. Like, how could you do that to me? Like, what can you say for yourself right now?
What made you get a DNA test?
Because I went through your phone.
And why?
Talking about me, laughing and bragging, telling your friends that I have no idea that he's really not my son. So I went and got a DNA test done. Like, you think I'm stupid or something? Like, how could you do this to me?
You know what?
What?
You had no business going through my phone and getting
You
a
care
DNA
more
test
about
on
me
my
going
son.
through your phone than you lying to me about my son not being mine? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? You care more about being humiliated and me finding out that our son is not really my son and that he has a different father. I sure have, because I thought he was my son. Because you've been lying to me this whole time.
What are you talking about? Does it matter?
It does matter. Are you crazy? What do you mean that absolutely matters? Like, you don't see anything wrong with what you did? You don't see anything wrong with what you did? You've been lying to me. You've been sitting here lying to me for 11. Of course I love him, but I can't. But you guys can't stay. You can't stay here anymore.
Where we gonna go?
I don't know. It's not my problem. 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 You can't stay here. You can't stay here. You can't stay here. I don't know. It's not my problem. I did my job. I did my job. I did my job as a dad. I did my job as a dad. You can't stay here anymore. Y'all gotta go. Both y'all can't stay anymore. No, I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I can't deal with it. I can't deal with it. Y'all can't stay here anymore. Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta get y'all house. Y'all gotta go. I can't deal with it. I'm putting y'all out. Yes. I'm gonna put you out. I'm gonna put you out. I will pack your bags myself and put you out of here. I will pack your bags. Y'all can't stay here. You gotta go. You lied to me. You lied to me. You lied to me for 11 years. For 11 years straight, you lied to me, having me believe that he's my son. No, you gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta get up out of here. You gotta get up out of here. No, I can't look at you. I can't look at. No, y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go. No, before I do something crazy, I'm gonna regret. Yes, yes. You lied to me. You lied to me.
Woo, 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 man. You have a guy that sounds like the ideal man that a million women would absolutely love and adore. The fact that you are staying with him, because, I mean, from what it sounds like, he's putting her out. So I assume his name is on the lease and hers is not. That's what I'm assuming, right? So that man invites you into his world. He's taking care of you. He's taking care of your child, not his. And you have the nerve to be sitting out here laughing at this man. You have the nerve to be sitting here texting your friends saying that, or picking at this doggone guy, and he goes through your phone, and that's what the focus is? The focus is not you going out here, sleeping around, and cheating on this man. A good guy. He seems like a good guy. I've been doing my job. I've been trying to take care of you, take care of the child. Ain't even his child. I'm still bugging off of that, man. That's freaking insane. He's doing everything that he's supposed to do as a man. And what do you give that man in return? A slap in the freaking face. You are laughing. Now, if you made a mistake, I mean, that's one thing. To make a mistake a long time ago and sleeping with multiple people, I mean, that's nasty. You know what I mean? But sleeping with multiple people, getting pregnant by another man, And then you staying with, why? My question is, why aren't you staying with the guy that you got pregnant by? And now you've been lying to him. You've probably been lying to that kid. And you definitely lying to yourself if you think or you believe that that man is going to allow you to stay in his house after all of this. And you got the nerve to say something about love. The nerve, man. The nerve of some of these people. And she really think that her actions are justified because of love. The time that y'all have been together. We've been in this home for 11 years. What difference does that make if you're sitting out here, again, talking to all of your friends about this? Man, you got to go. And as much as I don't agree with, putting somebody out like this, like in that manner or whatnot, man, I don't agree with it. But he's basically telling, he's like, man, you need to leave before I do something that I'm going to regret. There are probably a million things going through that guy's head right now. 11 years. Somebody has been lying to me. 11 years. Somebody knew that this wasn't my child, and they've been telling me, and I've been living in this doggone fantasy. I got my girl. We have a child together. I got my 11-year-old son. Everything is good. Everything is golden. And that man goes through your phone, which, hey, I understand that. Don't be checking people's phone. I understand that. But, I mean, it's technically a good thing that he did, because he maybe would have never found out about this. But 11 years? 11 years. You can only imagine what's going through that man's head right now. All the different thoughts, everything just replaying through his mind. And he's been faithful. I've been faithful. I've been coming home after work. Again, I'm taking care of you. I'm working. I'm not complaining. Like, I'm making sure that we are all good. And in my mind, we good. But when I check your phone, you sitting there talking about me to your friends, laughing at me with your friends about, this is a effed up situation. And the fact that you're joking about it, man, it honestly shows that you don't care two ish about me. So in return, I don't care two ish about you. Now, it's honestly the worst is for that child. That child has been thinking that this guy is my dad. Like, I've been growing up in a house with a 2-parent household, and now all of that stuff is about to be just broken. Man, you know what? I'm going to leave this one alone, man. I'm going to let you guys comment down below. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think about this, man? I'm going to be honest with you. I'm just going to flat out say, I think that she is completely wrong. 1,000% wrong. Like, you can't get no more wrong than this right here. This is like the bottom of the barrel. You have to be the freaking scum of the earth to do something like this. Continue to lie to somebody and then have the nerve to talk about it behind his back to your friends and laughing about. Y'all comment down below, man. Y'all let me know what you guys think. Until the next time, man. Y'all be blessed, be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.